Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is AmanChopra, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 34-inch LG ultra-wide monitor. This monitor comes in around $450, and my cousin Watch will be helping me unbox it today. So without further ado, hit subscribe and let's get into it. So here I have the 34-inch LG ultra-wide monitor, which comes with amazing visual quality as it has an IPS panel that makes your screen brighter and the colors on it more vibrant. It has HDR, making your monitor give a more lifelike image, along with AMD Freesync, which syncs the monitor's refresh rates with the frame rates that the Freesync cards can handle. As well, it also has a really convenient feature of having on-screen control for an easier access to modifying monitor settings. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. As you can see, the box comes with 3 main pieces along with the monitor, 2 of which are for the stand and the wires on the side for powering up the monitor. The wires include an HDMI cord for the monitor's 2 HDMI ports and a power cable. Then we have the leg part of the stand, which has a nice finish and is actually quite sturdy considering the way that it's shaped, as well as a neck to hold the monitor up and in position. Next, we have the actual monitor inside, which we'll take out and quickly have it attached to the stand that it came with. So now that this monitor is all ready to go, let's hook it up to a MacBook and see how it really looks when it's turned on. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below, and make sure you guys check out my other playlists with all my other tech videos, which I think you'll like. And as always, thank you for watching.